Tracfone operates on a prepaid model, meaning there are no cancellation fees. You're simply deactivating your service. You can effectively cancel by letting your service expire, but you'll lose any remaining balance. While Tracfone doesn't offer a standard pause feature, you can call customer service at 1-800-8867-7183 to request a temporary suspension, although reactivation fees might apply. Downgrading to a cheaper plan is usually possible through the Tracfone website or app. Remember to confirm your account using your PIN or the last 4 digits of your SSN. To cancel, simply stop adding airtime. Your service will deactivate, but you'll forfeit any remaining balance. For a pause, call Tracfone customer service and request a temporary suspension. Be prepared to provide details and potentially pay a reactivation fee later. To downgrade, log into your Tracfone account online or via the app. Select Change Plan and choose a cheaper option. Keep in mind that downgrades may take 24 to 48 hours to process. Always document your interactions with customer service and check for email confirmations.